Jeraldo also plays wheelchair sports, and he's in a wheelchair and has a fair amount of medical appointments. So even as we thought through what would be best for him to support all the things that he wants to do, travel basketball team, attend his medical appointments while still being a good student, online schooling really fit us. It became a better option for us because of even with his medical appointments, when he has to step away to go to his medical appointments, those online classes are recorded. So Jeraldo can come back in and actually watch the recordings, and he's able to keep up. So whenever he gets back into it the next day, or whenever it's time to go back to that class, he doesn't feel behind as he would if he was missing classes before.